Hello and welcome to the third video in the Stitch This Season Fabric Book Workshop for 2025. Today's video is the second prompt, and that is for the inside back cover, and this is image. Use a Christmas image in your work. It sounds easy, and there are lots of options, but most of all, it should be fun. For now, the next prompt, I want to work on the inside cover. We had our first prompt, now our second one. So for image of your choice, I went through my stash and I found some ornaments that I just loved. And I want to use them in my work. I don't want to just include them as they are. So I was debating between these two. I think I'm going to use this house. It's a little unusual. So I want to salvage it. I want to take it apart. Now I could just go in there and cut it, but I'm going to go in there and remove the tags with my seam ripper here. I just go to the edge, find the seam, and just carefully work it. And this is the best way to preserve most of the fabric. I can just run it across and see the stuffing. So I'll take this apart. So it's gentle work. I just want to go pull out a few stitches, remove a few stitches. And again, this is just to salvage the fabric. Not all ornaments would require this type of care. So here I have the components, and now I'm just going to trim around very neatly around this little patch here. I don't mind a little bit of white showing. So I have my patch. I went through my stash and found some ribbon. I'll just trim it up a little. It adds a little interesting texture. And then I can decide where I want this. Maybe trim this down even a little further. Like this. And I can put my patch like this. Yes, I'm quite pleased with that. I will stitch this down, and when the book is complete, there will be pages here. So this will be a little unexpected surprise. You can also play around with maybe doing this. Oh, I think I like that. I'll move it over just a little. Yes. I like that a lot. I'll stitch that down. So now I have my prompt done. I was considering maybe adding lights in the form of little stitches, but I like the simplicity of that. Now looking at the book when it's folded, I've got that little lace exposed on the front. I want to put a little bit of lace exposed on the back. So I'll just line it up to where I want it and just quickly stitch that down. Just want to peeking through, just like on the front. So I'll just stitch along the edge. So I've stitched down along the edge. Just want to trim off my pieces again. And then I have the inside front and back covers done. Now we can start working on the pages. I'm going to wait to work on the front and the back of the cover. But I love starting out with these pieces done. So for the image prompt, I took a stuffed pre-made ornament, deconstructed it, and salvaged the parts that I wanted to use. I love how it turned out. Please be sure to post your work in our Facebook group. I'd love to see what you're doing. And thank you for joining me today.